Good evening, everyone. My name is Yan Peng. I live in Pasangol Village. Today I narrate the story. My story name is The Boy in the Valley. This in Valley there was a pretty reader house. It was sorority boy many trees sitting in front of the many the small home. Her mother and her younger son were watching the sun go down. It is a very beautiful evening, is not it? The mother asked the boy. He just nodded. He was staring something in the center.
Finished?
Yes.
Okay, give me a praise.